Welcome to Working with Wyatt. Today we're talking insulation. Insulation is something like a warm, cozy, dozy blanket for the walls. It keeps the heat in and the cold out. So we have to cover up all the logs so they don't get insulation on them. Done now. And now we're ready to spray. This is spray insulation. It looks like this now. We have to build some scaffolding to get all the way up there. This is also insulation. It's called fiberglass insulation. It's made out of glass that they heat up and spin into tiny little fibers. Nailed it! Insulation is cool. Please like, subscribe, and share to your favorite kid. Besides me, of course.